Welcome to Simple English Learning.
Welcome to Simple English Learning. I'm your host, Professor Emma Clarkson, a dedicated English educator with over 25 years of experience guiding learners from vibrant classrooms in London to online students across the globe. From beginners crafting their first sentences to advanced speakers polishing their fluency, I've helped thousands sound confident and natural. If you're tuning in to our YouTube channel because conversations in English feel stiff, awkward, or just don't flow like you'd hope, this episode, The Communication Guide, How to Have a More Natural Conversation in 5 Minutes, is designed for you. In this podcast-style video, we'll unlock 5 practical, game-changing strategies to make your English conversations smoother and more native-like. Each one you can practice in just 5 minutes a day. You'll get clear tips, real-world examples, pronunciation pointers, and exercises tailored for busy learners. By the end, you'll have a toolkit to chat effortlessly, whether it's with friends, colleagues, or strangers. Grab a notebook, pause when needed, and let's transform your conversations together. At Simple English Learning, we believe natural communication is about connection, not perfection. Let's dive in. Conversations are the heartbeat of language. They're how we build relationships, share ideas, and navigate the world. But for English learners, conversations can feel like a high-stakes test, worrying about grammar, searching for words, or sounding robotic. The good news? You don't need hours of practice or a native speaker to sound natural. Research from the British Council shows that targeted, consistent practice can improve conversational fluency by up to 40% in weeks. My students, like Sofia from Brazil, who once froze during small talk, have gone on to lead meetings confidently using techniques we'll cover today. Our 5 strategies focus on quick, daily habits that fit your life, leveraging YouTube's resources to make learning fun and effective. Let's break them down. Strategy 1. Master the art of small talk. 5-minute practice, daily chit-chat drill. Small talk is the gateway to natural conversations, especially in English-speaking cultures where it builds rapport. It's not about deep topics, but light, friendly exchanges, weather, hobbies, or weekend plans. To sound natural, learn high-frequency phrases and practice their rhythm. For example, "Nice weather today, isn't it?" uses a rising tone to invite response. Or try, "What's up? Got any fun plans?" Synonyms are, "How's it going?" or "Anything exciting this week?" My student Raj from India struggled with small talk at work, but practiced greetings like, "How's your day going?" in 5-minute bursts, soon chatting easily with colleagues. Pick 3 phrases. How's it going? Lovely day, right? Any big plans? Stand in front of a mirror, say them with a smile, varying intonation. Casual, curious, friendly. Record yourself using a phone app. Play back and tweak for smoothness. Do this daily for 5 minutes, imagining you're at a cafe or office. Watch YouTube clips from English Addict with Mr. Steve for real small talk. Pause and mimic. Share your favorite phrase in the comments below. Strategy 2. Use conversational fillers naturally. Fillers like, you know, or like Bridge pauses in native speech, making you sound relaxed, not robotic. Overuse can sound unprofessional, but light use adds fluency. For example, I was thinking about trying yoga sounds casual. Or, I really enjoyed that movie. Avoid overthinking grammar mid-sentence. Fillers give your brain a second to process. My student May from China used to pause awkwardly, but adding, well, or, made her conversations flow. Be cautious. Too many fillers in formal settings can seem sloppy. Practice. Watch a YouTube vlog, example, English, and note fillers. Here's my advice. For 5 minutes, practice a monologue. Well, I'm planning, a trip to the beach. Record, listen for natural pacing, and retry if overdone. Aim for 1 filler per sentence. Quiz. Which filler fits here? I'm not sure what to cook tonight. Answer. Well, or, try it aloud. Strategy 3. Ask open-ended questions. 5-minute practice. Question chain. Natural conversations thrive on questions that invite storytelling, not yes-no answers. Instead of, do you like movies? Ask, what kind of movies do you love watching? This prompts detailed responses, keeping the chat alive. Synonyms are, what's your favorite? Or, how do you feel about? My student Ahmed from Egypt transformed his networking by asking, what's the coolest place you've traveled to? Sparking lively exchanges. Practice. For 5 minutes, list 5 open-ended questions. What's a book that changed your life? How did you get into your hobby? Say them out loud, emphasizing the question's rise, fall tone. Role play with an imaginary friend, answering as them. Oh, I got into hiking because of a trip to the mountains. Use YouTube's TEDx interviews to shadow questions. Comment 1 question you'll use this week. Strategy 4. Mimic native rhythm with shadowing. 5-minute practice, shadowing sprint. English is stress-timed with emphasis on key words. I'm so excited to meet you. Shadowing, mimicking native speakers immediately, trains your ear and mouth for this rhythm. Per linguist Alexander Argulis, shadowing boosts fluency by syncing listening and speaking. My student Priya from India shadowed YouTube clips, turning her flat delivery into vibrant speech in weeks. Practice. Pick a 1-minute YouTube clip, e.g., BBC Learning English dialogue. Listen once, then replay, repeating each sentence instantly. I'm really looking forward to the weekend. Really looking forward. Record, compare, retry for clarity. Focus on stress, really, and weekend. Do this for 5 minutes daily. Quiz. Where's the stress in That's an awesome idea. Awesome idea. Try shadowing a friend's scene. Strategy 5. Build a phrase bank for flow. 5-minute practice. Phrase flashcards. A phrase bank is a collection of go-to expressions for common scenarios, greetings, opinions, or closers. Examples are, "That's a great point," or "I see what you mean." These reduce hesitation, making you sound fluid. My student Carlos from Mexico built a bank for job interviews, using "I'm thrilled to be here" to start confidently. Practice. For 5 minutes, create flashcards, physical or on Anki, with phrases like, "I totally agree," "Can you tell me more?" or "Catch you later." Say each aloud, varying tone, excited, curious, casual. Role play a scenario, e.g., coffee shop chat, using 3 phrases. Watch YouTube's English with Lucy for phrases, then mimic. Comment your favorite phrase below. To make these stick, integrate them into your day. Spend 5 minutes per strategy, 25 minutes total, split across morning and evening.